Alright guys, what up? We got a quick update here for the Blender Octane add-on. This version was actually released, I noticed, on April 9th. April 9th, this one is compatible with Blender 5.1. So the add-on will work with Blender 5.1 now. Some of the changes made in this was bug fixes. They fixed the OCIO error, which is thankful good. They fixed a linear updated issue. We also have a hot fix, basically fixed crashed issues with Mac OS versions on Octane server, and then some more minor bug fixes. And then as I'm looking at this, I noticed this was posted on the 9th. There is actually another update already as of, I think, yesterday. That posted on the 13th. Today is the 14th that I'm recording this video. And this one says the same thing, but I think it says this version is the same as the previous 2025 release, except that the SDK has been updated to 25.6, and the Blender integration is based on Blender 5.1 through Blender 5.0 through Blender 5.1. Previous Blender 4X builds release are not supported. So of course, anything 4 point is not going to be updated to the add-on. Everything from here on out is going to be on the 5.0 and 5.1 at the moment. So definitely, of course, you need the server and you need to download the add-on. It works with vanilla Blender. So definitely take a look at that. I'm going to download it and run some tests on it and see. So if you guys are interested, join my Blender Octane community. Links down in here below. It's free. Do all that jibber jabber. I'm going to finish enjoying the rest of this beautiful spring day. Peace.